Hey everybody, Donald here from Schneider Farms, and I'm out here with Keith, and we're just out here in the beds. You know, the days are getting a little bit longer, the sun is getting warmer, the ground is getting softer, and the soil is just gorgeous right now. And I am out here in the bed trying to cut back these Helleborus. As you can see, there's all these dead leaves from last year, and I'm just coming through here cutting them all off because there's some beautiful flowers that are starting to come on. The Helleborus are one of the first things to flower, and the flowers are just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just in here, and Keith is back there cutting back some Catmint. We're also coming through in the beds, and we're just pulling up some chickweed. There's some clover. So, you know, the days are nice, and this is a great time to be out and get in the soil and get your hands dirty. And, you know, I just wanted to walk over here really quickly and show you. So this is Catmint that, you know, was from last year, and Keith's cutting it down, and you want to cut this pretty far down to the ground. And as you can see, look, Mother Nature has already told us that, you know, the spring is here. And you can see all the little tiny leaves are coming and the shoots are coming. Thank you very much. And so, you know, we're out here just playing around in the yard. So thanks everybody.